Yesterday was an ugly day. Will today be better? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It is Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, and here we are back to business. And yesterday was we'll just call it a big ugly. Not only the markets lost, we lost our Baltimore play. In the meantime, here we are. Markets are a little bit lower this morning. Very quiet, very subdued trade. Nasdaq's down about 80, Dow's down about 100. Russell's down, S&P's down about 10. Not much going on. We're still short. Nothing changed. In fact, we had no changes in the futures markets overnight. So we're still basically in the same positions. It looks like a quiet, kind of subdued trade. Maybe we're waiting to see what the debate brings tonight. Who knows what they're waiting for? It's quiet. That's the only thing I can tell you is it's very, very quiet out there right now. The metals are kind of mixed a little bit today, but gold is a little bit stronger. But we are still short across the board in the metals. And, I've heard the story of undervalued gold. Nothing is undervalued. Asset classes will price themselves, and whatever price you can buy it is the fair price. So let's not hear the crap and the BS of an undervalued metal or an undervalued market. The price is the price. You can buy it. You want to buy it right now? Go buy it. Okay, I'm telling you that asset classes price themselves, and whatever the market is, that's the price. So again, in the meantime, we're still short. Crude, we're long, and it's getting hammered. And as you know, I hate it. But hey, again, when it's time, it will change. And until then, I'll just sit back and whine. Natural gas, copper, both lower. We are long still both of those. Bonds and notes are both higher. We're short. We're long both of those. We're short both of those. So again, it's a mediocre day. Obviously, the indexes are helping us today, but overall, and the dollar's a little bit lower. So overall, our positions are, okay. They are what they are. Again, I don't worry during the day. I don't worry intraday about what's going on. So the end game is very simple. When it's time to change, I will change. Until then, these will be our positions. And based on today's action, I don't see any changes yet for tomorrow or anything that would even be close. But I don't predict. I'll just sit back and enjoy. But basically, I'm not even trading much today because I don't see anything to do. So why get involved when it's very quiet? And again, there's too many reasons why. In the meantime, I don't care. I don't have to get involved, and I will not. Grain markets are mixed. Actually, I guess they're all lower now. They were mixed. Corn, wheat, and beans are all a little bit lower. We'll see what happens from here. We are, long corn, long wheat, and short beans. But overall, we are at, some pretty key levels on whether or not we go up or we go down from here. The meats, cattle is both a little bit higher. We are still short. But as I've said every day, the pattern is actually set up to be more bullish than bearish, and I think that will change. We will change shortly as the change point continues to come down to meet us. Hogs are lower. We expect that they're just in consolidation up at much higher levels, so we'll see how that works out. Honestly, I will tell you the truth. I forgot to look at the softs today because I don't look every day. I would just tell you that we are long cotton, short OJ. Short coffee, long sugar, and long cocoa. That's why I'll tell you my positions. I haven't looked. I don't look every day during the day as a rule. They're not, I don't get active live quotes here. I don't really care. And I refuse to pay the extra $120 a month they want for those feeds. And since I only trade them once a day, I don't need to have a live data feed. So at the end of the day, that's our positions. I apologize for not looking, but I forgot to look today. So in the meantime, look, it's just quiet. It's not a great day to get overly involved, which is what I try to tell you. There are days to fish and there's days to cut bait. This is a great day to cut bait so far as I'm concerned. In the meantime, again, don't forget about our great partners, our brokers we use. Now, again, I have other brokerage accounts elsewhere, but for futures and commodities, it's CTG Group. They do all of our letter of direction trading. They're the only approved broker to do so. And of course, they do a great job with it. When there's an order to be done, it's done on time, when it's supposed to be done, every day. And they've got some new products coming out, which we're going to help them introduce. Looking forward to that. And for equities and options, it's the same simple answer. It's $10 a month. Why would I go anywhere but Tradier to do any active trading? I mean, if you're paying more than $10 a month, you're paying too much. So you have to decide whether you want to put the money in your pocket or you want to keep paying the broker. Our commodity report, Andy Hecht, working on the quarterlies. It's a fantastic report, great information, very solid. And right now, you can get that report for $100 a month or $800 a year. The prices will be going up, but of course, those of you who get it now will not have to worry about that. But there will be some dramatic changes to that letter as well, which will be beneficial, making it much more expensive. But at the end of the day, you certainly have the opportunity to take advantage now, but go to BUBBATrading.com and check out Technomental. And of course, family farms, it's going to be a great relationship as soon as they allow us out of our houses. But we are looking forward to working with them, and I do talk to them all the time, and they are really we're on the same team. We have the farmers as best interest always, and I think that's a great point, a great thing to remember. Of course, I do think that farmers should always be hedged anyways, so some of these prices wouldn't matter right now, because either way, you're going to make money or be saving money. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, baseball starts today. A lot of big series. Wow, I don't know. Houston Astros got in with a sub 500 record. But in the meantime, we're taking the day off, other we're going to watch. But we're licking our wounds from our Baltimore Ravens play, as we thought they were the better team. But once again, Patrick Mahomes showed that he's a magician and he's great. So we'll take our beating, and we'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.